We recently took a trip over to the award-winning LDs BBQ in East Troy to see how Flitz could help them clean and polish their restaurant equipment. First, we cleaned and polished their stainless steel surfaces, including their cooler, soda fountain, counters, and control surfaces, with the Flitz stainless steel and chrome cleaner and the Flitz stainless steel polish protectant. We took a step outside to clean and polish their old hickory smokers with Flitz Metal Pre-Clean and Flitz Liquid Polish. We even cleaned up some rust spots. The metal pre-clean worked wonders on the smoker doors.